Good morning, students. Today we will start with chapter 5, that is acids, bases, and salts. Students, in our day to day life, we are eating number of food items. Okay, so they all these all food items, they have different kind of taste. Okay, for example, lemon, salt, sugar, tamarind, and curd, and sugar. Okay, so all these foods, do they have the same taste? No, they do not have the same taste, they have the different taste. Here one table is given. Here the number of substances are given and what is their taste. For example, lemon juice. If you drink lemon juice, the taste of lemon juice is sour. Orange juice, sour and sweet. Curd, sour. Grapes, sour and sweet. Sugar, sweet. Common salt, salty. Apple, sour and sweet. Baking soda, bitter, and vinegar, sour. Okay, so these are the different food substances that we can see, and they all have the different taste, not the same taste. Okay, so why these all food items they have the different taste? They have some reasons behind this that we will discuss. Here, first we will discuss about the acids. Okay, some substances taste sour, some taste bitter, and some taste sweet, and some taste salty. Why they all have this different kind of taste, that we will see in this chapter. First we will discuss about the acids. Okay, when you taste curd, lemon juice, orange juice, and vinegar taste, they all are sour in taste. Okay, so these substances taste our taste sour because they contain the acid. In these food substances, that is curd, lemon juice, orange juice, and vinegar, they contain the acids. Due to this acid, they have this sour taste. Okay, so the substances that are sour in taste are called acids. जो भी चीज़ें आपको टेस्ट में खट्टी लगती हैं, they all contain the acids. That's why they are sour in taste. So उन्हें हम क्या कहेंगे? We can call them acids. The word acid is derived from the Latin word acidus. जो ये acid word है वो कहाँ से derived हुआ है? लैटिन वर्ड एसिडस से डिराइव हुआ है. द मीनिंग ऑफ एसिडस इज द सोर. ओके, एसिड्स आर ऑफ टू टाइप्स, ऑर्गेनिक एसिड्स एंड मिनरल एसिड्स. ओके, फर्स्ट वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द ऑर्गेनिक एसिड्स. ऑर्गेनिक एसिड्स जनरली वी आर गेटिंग naturally, or you can call it a natural acid. Okay, sometime we are eating different types of fruits. These all fruits we are getting naturally, so they contain the acids. So the acids that are found in plants and animals are called organic acids. जो भी acids plants और animals में present होता है उसे हम क्या कहेंगे? We can call it a organic acids. Here some examples are given in this table. Which type of acid is contained in natural sources? For example, this citric acid, you are using lemon and orange at home. These lemon and orange, they are containing the citric acid. Lactic acid is present in curd. Ascorbic acid, amla, citrus fruits. Okay, ascorbic acid is present in amla and citrus fruits, like orange and all that. Tartaric acid, tamarind also. Tartaric acid is present in tamarind, grapes and unripe mangoes. कच्चे आम जो होते हैं, इमली होती है, एंड ग्रेप्स में क्या कौन सा एसिड प्रेजेंट होता है? दैट इज टार्टरिक एसिड. एसिटिक एसिड is present in vinegar. Oxalic acid is present in spinach, tomato and guava. Malic acid is present in apple, and amino acid is present in protein. Okay, so these are different kinds of organic acids which are present in our day to day the food products we are using, or the fruits that we are getting naturally. This type of acid is present in these fruits. Tartaric acid is mixed with baking soda. Okay, when you mix tartaric acid with baking soda and is used in making cakes and biscuits. जो भी केक्स एंड बिस्किट्स बनते हैं उसमें टार्ट्रिक एसिड को किसके साथ मिक्स करते हैं? दे आर मिक्सिंग विद द baking soda. So acetic acid is used in pickles and tomato ketchup. Okay, acetic acid is used in pickles and tomato ketchup because acidic acid do not allow the microorganisms to grow and we can keep these ketchups and pickles for a longer time. सभी के घर में ketchup and pickles होगा because acetic acid is added in this, so microorganisms will not grow inside these ketchup and pickles. This is about the organic acid. Now we'll move on the second type of acid, that is mineral acids. The acids prepared from the minerals of the earth are called mineral acids. The minerals which are present inside our earth. Okay, so these acids are prepared by them. So they are, you can call them a man-made acids also. Okay, humans prepare these acids and also known as the laboratory acids because they are used in the science practical laboratory to perform experiments. Many experiments are performed in the laboratory. So in these experiments we require this mineral acids. Okay, the most common mineral acids are like sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid and nitric acid. These are the most common mineral acids. Mineral acids are very strong and dangerous. Okay, they are highly corrosive in nature. These acids can cause severe burns on the skin if you do not handle it very carefully. Okay, so these acids should be handled with great caution. They should never be handled with bare hands or tested because they will burn your skin or any part of your body. This dilute and concentrated acids, an acid can be dilute or concentrated depending upon the amount of water present in. I will explain you the meaning of dilute and concentrated. Okay, dilute means we have to add the water, it is mixed with the water, this is called the dilute acid. And concentrated acid, the amount of water is very less in that concentrated acid. Okay, first dilute acid, the acidic solution that has a large quantity of water and small quantity of acid is called the dilute acid. Nowadays some acids we are using inside our home for cleaning purposes, so they are some are dilute acid and some are concentrated acids. Okay, dilute acid के अंदर पानी ज़्यादा ऐड होता है and acid कम होता है. About the concentrated acid, the acidic solution that has a small quantity of water and a large quantity of acid is called concentrated acid. Concentrated acid में क्या होता है? Acid ज़्यादा होता है and less quantity of water. Water कम होता है. So this is more effective. It is very dangerous also. Okay, if you do not handle it very carefully. Okay, so the concentrated acid is almost pure form or has a very small quantity of water. जितने भी concentrated acid होते हैं वो pure form में होते हैं and they have very less quantity of water, but dilute acid में more quantity of water is present. Okay students, today this is all about the acids. In our next class we will discuss about the next topic. I hope you understand. Thank you. Have a nice day.